Hello everyone, welcome to KrisDom Investor. Here I talk about the stock analysis and investing opportunities. As we are aware, pharmaceutical and biotech companies around the globe are working with governments to address the COVID-19 outbreak, from supporting the development of vaccines to planning for medicine supply chain challenges. In this video, I will present to you 12 penny microcap and small cap stocks from the pharmaceuticals and biotechnology sector. These stocks has the potential to grow big in the future. If you want to encourage me to make more videos in the future, please do like and share the video. If you are new to my channel and looking for fresh content on stock markets, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Let us take up the stock number 1. This company has a market cap of 32.4 crores and the share price at rupees 10.8. It is a debt-free company having a book value at rupees 15. Promoters shareholding at 65.67%. Stock is trading at 0.78 times its book value. The stock seemed bottomed out and ready for an up. The company name is Pharma Sector Limited. Pharma Sector Limited was incorporated as a public limited company in 2009. It distributes chemicals, solvents and intermediary and other bulk drugs. The company imports and exports its products. Let's move on to stock number 2. This company has a market cap of 23.01 crores and the current share price at rupees 18.45. It is virtually debt free and having a book value at rupees 75.35. Promoter shareholding at 50.17%. Stock is trading at 0.21 times its book value. It gave a 3 months return of 92%. Stock price CAGR is turning positive on the trailing 12-month basis at 12.16%. The company name is Multibagger Limited. Multibagger is engaged in the business of pharmaceutical organization with business encompassing the entire value chain in the marketing, production and distribution of pharmaceutical products. If all goes well, it can play a role in the distribution of COVID vaccines. Let's get into stock number 3. This company has a market cap of 48.17 crores and the current share price at rupees 20.6. Price has bottomed out recently. It has a debt equity ratio at 0.19, which means very low debt with reference to its equity, and having a positive book value at rupees 39. Promoters shareholding at 49.38%. Stock is trading at 0.54 times its book value. Company has delivered good profit growth of 44.17% CAGR over the last 5 years. This company is a dividend paying company at a dividend yield of 0.49%. The company name is Array Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited. Array Drugs and Pharmaceutical Limited incorporated in the year 1990. It is engaged in active pharmaceutical ingredient, API, bulk drug manufacturing and offering a range of products of various industrial applications. The company is engaged in trading and manufacturing activities as well. Let's move on to stock number 4. This company has a market cap of 490 crores and the current share price at rupees 21.85. It gave a 1 year's return at 110%. It has a book value at rupees 50.66. Promoter shareholding at 55.8%. The company has reduced debt in the last quarter. Stock is trading at 0.4 times its book value. Debtor days have improved from 101 days to 73.39 days, which is a good sign. The company name is Nectar Life Sciences Limited. Nectar Life Sciences Limited is a pharmaceutical company in India that manufactures generic drug products. The company has global leadership in several oral and sterile cephalosporin drugs and has CGMP facilities along with those approved by the European Union and Japan. Let's move on to stock number 5. This company has a market cap of 90.51 crores and the current share price at rupees 34.55. It gave a 1 year return at 40%. It has a debt to equity ratio at 0.04, which means virtually debt free with reference to its equity and having a book value of rupees 43. Promoters shareholding at 49.39%. Stock is trading at 0.82 times its book value. Company has delivered good profits growth of 27.77% CAGR over the last 5 years. Debtor days have improved from 72 to 45 days. This company is a dividend paying company at a dividend yield of 0.72%. The company name is Jagsonpal Pharmaceuticals Limited. Jagsonpal is among India's premier pharmaceutical companies. The firm recorded sales revenue of $37 million in the year 2011. Jagsonpal has substantial research and development, manufacturing, marketing and distribution facilities. It is an India-based pharmaceutical company engaged in the manufacturing of pharmaceuticals and intermediate drugs which are popular across the globe. Let's move on to stock number 6. This company has a market cap of 5.76 crores and the current share price at rupees 36.8. It is a virtually debt-free company having a book value at rupees 99.44. The promoter shareholding at 49.17%. Stock is trading at 0.39 times its book value. This company is a dividend paying company at a dividend yield of 1.3%. The company name is Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited. Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited was incorporated in the year 1993. It operates in the pharmaceuticals and healthcare sector. Shukra Pharmaceutical manufactures, exports and markets various drugs and dosages forms in India and internationally. Let's move on to stock number 7. This company has a market cap of 64.67 crores and the current share price at rupees 46.6. The stock price was bottomed out recently with a good scope for future up move. It has a debt to equity at 0.18, which means low debt with reference to its equity, and having a book value of rupees 42.58. The company is a dividend paying company at a dividend yield of 2.15%. The company name is Dennis Chem Lab Limited. Dennis Chem Lab Limited incorporated in 1980. It manufactures medical products and pharmaceutical. The company produces antibiotics, diuretic, parenteral amino acid and anti-anaerobic injections as well as plasma volume expanders and irrigation solutions. Let's move on to stock number 8. This company has a market cap of 1966 crores and the current share price at rupees 48.05. It is virtually debt free. Price has bottomed out and started its upward journey. Its 1 year return at 230% and having a book value of rupees 16. Promoter shareholding at 48.25%. FIAs are holding 7.65%. The company's sales, profits, stock price and return on equity are started growing continuously from the trailing 12 months, which is a big positive sign. This company is a dividend paying company at a dividend yield of 0.1%. The company name is Marksans Pharma Limited. Marksans Pharma Limited is an Indian pharmaceutical company having a global footprint. Its strengths lie in research, manufacturing and marketing of finished doses of pharmaceutical formulation. It has state-of-the-art formulation manufacturing units, adhering to international standards and regulations. Let's move on to stock number 9. This stock has a market cap of 34.36 crores and the current share price at rupees 68.5. The company has reduced debt. It has a debt of just 4.1 crores and having a book value at rupees 66.2. The stock price is showing upward momentum since last week. Promoter shareholding at 68.22%. The company is a dividend paying company at a dividend yield of 1.39%. The company's sales, profit, stock price and return on equity are started growing continuously from the trailing 12 months, which is a big positive sign. The company name is Panchasheel Organics Limited. Panchasheel Organics Limited is a ISO certified GMP approved company that manufactures and exports active pharma ingredients, intermediaries and finished formulation. It is having a wide experience of more than 3 decades in the healthcare field. Let's move on to stock number 10. This company has a market cap of 51.84 crores and the current share price at rupees 90. The stock price has been sideways since the last 1 year and it was resilient to market correction, and it has observed that it is exhibiting a strong resilience for the market correction. It has a debt to equity ratio at 0.24, which means very low debt with reference to its equity, and having a book value at 66.42. Promoter shareholding 55.56. This company is a dividend paying company at a dividend yield of 2.65%. Further, the company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 34.98%. The company name is BDH Industries Limited. The company offers its products in various therapeutic classes such as antifungal, antibiotics, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, antidepressant, anti-ulcerant, anti-inflammatory, cardiovascular. Let's move on to stock number 11. This company has a market cap of 2,422 crores and the current share price at rupees 88.6. The stock price is moving upwards since the last 3 months and gave a returns up to 90%. The company is debt free. The company has delivered good profit growth of 25.19% CAGR over the last 5 years. The market value of investments rupees 3,067 crores is more than market cap of 2,422 crores. Which is a very positive sign. Promoter holding has increased by 1.95% over last quarter. Promoter shareholding at 69.57%. This company is a dividend paying company at a dividend yield of 0.64%. The company name is Alembic Limited. Alembic Limited is an integrated pharmaceutical company. The company's products include active pharmaceutical ingredients, bulk pharmaceuticals, international and domestic formulations, herbal and nutraceuticals, and veterinary. The company is also involved in three main areas of research, namely chemistry and synthesis, formulations development, and contract research. Now let's focus on stock number 12. This company has a market cap of 65.31 crores and the current share price at rupees 98.75. It has a debt to equity ratio at 0.06, which means virtually debt free, and having a book value at rupees 86.98. Promoters shareholding at 65.4. This company is a dividend paying company at a dividend yield of 1.52%. The company name is Vikram Thermo India Limited. Vikram Thermo is leading in the manufacturing and selling of basic pharmacopolymer drug coat and divinyl oxide. In my opinion, one can enter these stocks as per their risk reward ratios. Keep a stop loss of at least 25% for the long term. For beginners, one may plan to invest 5,000 rupees in each stock and build their portfolio. I will post more updates on these scripts in the near future. So it's investors' call to invest in these high growth stocks, fixed deposits, or any other instruments by deliberating on the risk and reward of the instrument. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and your investments.